right, I just got an alert that Hobby Lobby has done a clearance in the crafts department, so we're gonna go check it out. This entire aisle is full of nothing but kids' crafts. Everything from this Candyland craft to all kinds of different name brands. Literally, I don't think I see anything that doesn't have a clearance sticker on it. If they have a your price, they'll be 50% off. If they are not your price, they'll be 75% off. Let's see what used to be here. Looks like licensed items, Frozen, Sesame Street. The majority of these mix and mold accessories, colors, additives for resin are all 50% off, as are all of these sensory toys. If you know someone who loves Bluey, you don't want to miss out on 50% off these. There's some costume and play, cosplay. We have a wand. We had a sword. Now there's some Silly Wink packs. And this high density foam in white, as well as a bunch of the paints and clays for cosplay. Contact cement, sculpting medium for fabric. Craft metalizer and Plasti Dip primer. If you use them, you know what they're for. Here, a lot of the paint by number has already been hit, but it looks like these are 75% off. Then there's also fuzzy posters, which are also 75% off, and some scratch art. These paintable kits will be 50% off because they have yellow your price stickers to start with. Perler beads are half off. Some giant tubs. There's a huge variety of lacing, string art, and paracord. I don't have the exact pricing on this as I can't tell what the stickers say. Lots of sun catcher items, make it, bake it. Oh, these cute license tins would be great for storage or for lunches for school. Cocomelon and Jurassic World. We have a Crayola art smock, as well as some air dry clay and silly scents dough. Mess Free Color Wonder. Project markers in extra large size. Those are half off. An Ultimate Crayon Collection. Washable finger paints and bubble wands. Hip squeaks. Fine point doodle markers, color changed doodle markers, and sketch and shade doodle markers. Color Buddies, Critter Creator, Paint and Pour, Crayola pencils and stickers. There are some flashcards and other educational books and coloring books. Here we have an assortment of shells for various craft projects or for decorating in your home. There are so many options, both small shells, large shells, colorful, and neutrals. These shells appear to be half off their regular prices. We have some gallery glass items, kits, paints, another kit, etching cream, stencils. I am not 100% sure what the discount is on these. One, because the prices are covered, and two, because even what I can see looks questionable. So we have several different colors of mosaic pieces in bags, as well as these jars. More options, different sizes. Stamps for making impressions, and here are some great mosaic kits, all supplies included. These would make for a great gift. I found this one soul clay, normally $5.99, clearance for $1.49. Here is some mold rubber for resin. The tin category is 75% off on all these orange stickers. These would be great for a vinyl project if you have a Cricut or a silhouette. Paint pens are 75% off. Normally $1.99 down to 49 cents. You can see a lot of these are already gone. It looks like all the colors of the folk art color shift paint are clearance, and they appear to be 50% off. There are a few mediums, some metallic paint, dimensional effects, and a glow paint. as well as some Minwax products and polyurethane. All of these colors of Krylon Decor Selects are clearance at half off. This whole row. Oh man, this color morph one looks so cool. Here are a few varieties of glass. This one is, wait, that's not half and it's not 75. That's like 56%. But here's some more, some with lids, some larger ones down below, light bulb shapes, and this cool gumball one. And some more of the jars we already looked at. All right, we have glass blocks and their stands at 75% off. Select wood shapes are half off. Let's see which ones are available. Bubblegum machine. Rainbow Follow Your Dreams. A flower. A floral bird. A dog, a couple different dogs. A hippo. Whatever that is, buffalo. Cute little hedgehog. Surfboard, pirate, globe, and that's it. Here we have themed packs of wood shapes and a box of findings, some letters. If you are into diamond art, this is the spot for you. This one was originally $15.99 down to $4.24. There are all different skill levels available from beginner to intermediate and advanced, as well as a wide variety of interests of what type of image you're going to do. I don't see any tools, but there are plenty of diamond art kits available. If you are in the market for a dollhouse, now is definitely the time to buy, as these babies never go on sale. That your price is now half off. You can even decorate it using several of the different accessories here that are on clearance. There's furniture pieces, room decor. These are definitely items you could stock up on for Christmas gifts. Gotta think ahead. Little accessories. And then there's doll stands, the wood bases and the glass domes, as well as a couple little hats here. Okay, so I was just told that do-it-yourself dollhouse kits are half off. They are the Beachside Bungalow, the Victoria's Farmhouse, the Victorian Painted Lady, and the Moss Creek Log Cabin. Not only that, but the models are also half off. These pre-assembled doll houses are $124.99 and $129.99. This Victoria's Farmhouse is $209.99 and the Victorian Painted Lady is $229.99. Well, that wraps up our Hobby Lobby crafts clearance. There were so many great deals. I hope you enjoyed checking out all these amazing deals as much as I did. Let me know in the comments which finds were your favorite, or if you've scored any great deals yourself.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you love saving on craft supplies, and subscribe for more craft hauls, DIYs, and creative inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, go create what's possible.